What's up guys, today I'll be showing you this close-up look at this new line from Hot Toys called Cosriders. So this is not a review, it's just a close-up look at the features and all those things. First up, the size. For size, if you compare it to standard Cos Baby, it's smaller. So as for reference, this is the Cos Baby 1989 Batmobile. And you can see it's significantly smaller than that, but it's as detailed as that, even the figures themselves, the characters. And then they are sold individually, not as a set, so you can power them individually by using a micro USB cable, as you can see there. Or you can link them up using this connector right here. It actually pops up, so you can use one power source to power everything up, and they will all be synchronized when they start moving and playing. So let's put that there. So to start them, of course, you need to plug in a power supply, and then you can see at the side here there is a small button there, so you can start them by pressing that button, or you can start them by inserting this coin that comes with each set. So this coin is actually metal, and you can see there the Hot Toys logo. At the back it's a Cosrider logo. So you can use this to start them, or you can use that button right there. And at the back, of course, you have your switch, on and off switch, so you make sure everything is in the on switch position before you start it. Anyway, let's get this started. I'm gonna use a standard power bank to power this. So to start them, just take the coin and insert them in the slot there at the side. So make sure the power bank is turned on, and let's try it. There you go. And now they're going to start all at the same time, and the music plays at the same time. So this goes on for about a minute, and then it's going to stop. So yeah, there you go. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. Nice to have in your displays. And again, I'll be taking some review shots of this, and I'll be posting up on my Instagram and Facebook page, and I'll put the link down below. Thanks, and have a nice day.